Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Turmeric and honey, the most powerful antibiotics that not even doctors can explain. Conventional antibiotics are extremely useful and have saved millions of lives. However, they are often overused. In no way in this video a recommendation to avoid traditional healthcare. There are many natural antibiotics that exist in our world. Honey, turmeric, and garlic are some of the most popular and tasty. Honey is capable of fighting infections without creating antibiotic resistance bacteria. A study published in the European Journal of Clinical Microbiology and Infectious Disease found that honey destroyed every bacteria or pathogen they tested it on. Researchers found that it can be applied topically and taken internally. According to Dr. D. Carter, our research is the first to clearly show that these honey-based products could in many cases replace antibiotic screens on wounds and equipment such as catheters. Using honey as an intermediate treatment could also prolong the life of antibiotics. Secondly, turmeric is another wonder of nature with a myriad of health benefits. The most important compounds found within turmeric are known as curcuminoids. These are powerful antioxidant, antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. The combination of these two has been reported as the most powerful natural antibiotic in existence. It is commonly used in Ayurvedic medicine and known as golden honey. Recently, it has become increasingly popular in Western medicine as well. According to benefits of honey, honey is an invaluable natural remedy for a myriad of ailments and diseases including indigestions, cold, flu, asthma, hypertension, high blood pressure, high blood sugar, arthritis, diabetes, heart disease, depressions, and anxiety. Inflammation of wounds and burns, eczema, psoriasis, and acne and aging protect the liver and kidney. Moreover, turmeric for health aids. A study has shown that an Ayurvedic medicine containing turmeric and honey as two of the active ingredients stimulate the production of functionality of immune cells and thus could result in improved immunity against disease. Combining turmeric with honey enhances its antimicrobial activity. They can together act against a variety of bacterial and fungal strains known to cause infection in humans. Turmeric along with honey can improve skin hydration and elasticity and contribute to a better skin health. Turmeric and honey are useful in treating oral mucositis, which occurs as a complication of cancer treatment. Here is a simple set of instructions on how to prepare the powerful combination turmeric infused honey. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon ground turmeric, 1/4 cup raw honey, 2 drops lemon essential oil optional. Instructions: mix the ingredients, stir well and cover. Store the mixture at room temperature and stir it before each use. To fight the flu or cold, take a half teaspoon of this mixture several times daily. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family too.